Hello everyone and Merry Christmas in advance. This is when we tend to eat too much and gain a lot of weight and calories. So Riza is always here to share some fat burning recipes with you because trust me, I eat a lot during this festive period, and what I do to fight the weight is having this as my drink. Like, I have these fat burning drinks, I carry them along. I have some in my refrigerator to help me boost my metabolism, help me flush out waste out of my system, heats up my system to burn and flush out bad fat from my system. So this is something you should be having as your water, most especially during this Christmas week, so nothing stores up, so no food stores up, causing belly fat and weight gain in the first place. And this recipe is so nice because after drinking the juice or the water, you can consume the fruits as well. So it is a kind of two-in-one, refreshing your system to help you burn fat while nourishing your system with fruits with the right nutrients for you to stay healthy with fresh and clear skin. And so without wasting much of your time, I'll take you now and show you how to come up with yours yourself at home. Equally, feel free to share this video with your family and friends so we can all fight that weight that comes with Christmas. So let's get straight into it. So in order to make a detox fat burning juice or water, the first ingredient I'll be using will be cucumbers. So cucumbers are alkalizing to cleanse your liver so it can be in good state to flush out waste, toxins, fats from your system, because your liver is responsible of pushing out waste, excess fats from your system so you can stay healthy. So cucumbers are to cleanse your liver, plus cucumbers help to hydrate your skin, support your system to flush out waste out of your system as well. It is so hydrating and very refreshing with a lot of health and medicinal benefits you want to add into your drink. So this is it. I'll be using one cucumber. You want to get it and slice into some good sizes that you can easily put in your bottle, and you can use this. You can use the first drink. In short, I'll tell you how to do this at the end of the video. The next ingredient I'll be adding will be lemon. So I'll be adding in one lemon. Lemon is a very powerful metabolism booster. It helps with the good acid to flush out bad acids, making you gain a lot of weight, most especially belly fat or bad fat in your system. This flushes out excess sodium and fats, waste from your system. Like, this is so good. This is my lemon peel, and I'll show you what I will do with it in my subsequent video. So you want to slice your lemon into some tiny good sizes that you can easily like put in your bottle. This is so good. As you notice, I peeled because I don't want this drink or water to be bitter. So I want it like to be like you drink like it is juice. That is why you saw me peeling, but I will still use the peel for another drink. So that is my one sliced lemon. The next ingredient I'll be adding in here, which is a very powerful source of vitamin C, most especially to boost your immunity, refresh the skin, and equally help to fight free radical damage from the inside while boosting your metabolism as well, will be orange. So I'll be using one orange. I'll peel. So this is the peel from my orange, and the lemon, I'll show you what I'll do with it in my subsequent video. So this is it. You want to slice your orange into some good sizes that can get into your bottle so you can get them infused and you get the benefits of this into your system. So this is it. My sliced oranges into some good sizes that I'll add in the water. Like, this is nutrient dense and fat burning. So these are my first three ingredients. I'll be adding in some ginger. So if you follow my videos, you know I love ginger. I add it in almost all my recipes, and it really helps with fat burning, and it helps to heat up your system as well, so you can easily flush out burn fat out of your system. So that is it. I'll use an inch of ginger. This quantity of ginger you want to slice and chop into some tiny little sizes so the ginger really gets infused in the water. So ginger is very good at boosting your metabolism. So as you drink this water with the ginger infused in it, you easily metabolize, break down food so nothing stores up, causing belly fat and weight gain, and you always stay in shape and healthy as well. Because when you flush out excess weight, excess fats, your organs are free of excess fats, and you can always stay healthy, free of obesity, hypertension, high blood pressure, and the rest. So this is very important for good health, not just for your size. So that is it. The next thing I'll be adding will be pineapple. So I just sliced my pineapple. So what you want to do is you get your pineapple. I'm showing you because I have to use the peel of this pineapple, and I'll show you what I'll do with it. So I had to get one full fresh pineapple just for the next video. So this is it. You want to peel and get your pineapple peel separate, which is very important. And what we'll be using will be half a pineapple for this detox recipe today, detox fat burning recipe. So you want to peel your pineapple, slice the peel, wash thoroughly and separate. Don't throw it, and I'll show you what to do with it. So now you want to separate your pineapple in two halves, and you can store the remaining in your refrigerator for your smoothie or for any healthy other juice or whatever, but just store it in your refrigerator. And what we need is half of a pineapple. So you want to slice into some good tiny little sizes that can get into your bottles, so it doesn't get too chunky and big. So pineapples are so good. They contain a lot of good acids to help flush out bad acids, making you look always constipated, bloated, with big belly and gaining a lot of weight. So this is so healthy. The next thing I'll be adding like a juice will be grapefruit juice. So if you don't have grapefruit, you can skip this step of it, or you use orange juice, but this is optional because grapefruit juice is very good at fat burning. So this is kind of a rich Christmas treat to help me burn down and boost my immunity as well, because grapefruits, lemons, oranges are high source, with pineapples are high sources of vitamin C, and you need a lot of vitamin C now to boost your immunity, most especially during this period you get to associate with people and you need to be fortified so you have a strong immunity to fight any possible disease during this period. So yeah, these are the ingredients I'll be using. That is my ginger, this is my lemon, this is my cucumber sliced, and this is my pineapple and my orange. So what I want to do now is so this is the grapefruit juice. As I mentioned earlier, if you don't have grapefruit, you can use orange juice. So these are my bottles with a big jar. So you can actually, after drinking this, you can refill. So you can refill and drink for up to like 7 days till after Christmas. So this is my ginger I'm putting in my bottle. That is the first ingredient, my ginger. You want to put a little amount in all the bottles, and that is my pineapple I'm adding in now. Yeah, so as I mentioned earlier, you can eat the fruits. I had to peel so you can eat these fruits. So you are not throwing the fruits. It's like a two-in-one. You consume the drink or the juice and you still eat the fruits. You see, they are healthy fruits you can eat. So you just want to put, that is my cucumber, and that is my lemon I am adding in now. So after some days, this lemon will not, like, this is so nourishing and fat burning. So you want to add in your oranges now, and yeah, I think this is it. These are the ingredients you put in your bottle. And the next thing I do now is I add the juice from my grapefruit. So that is the grapefruit juice you saw me squeezing. So it really gets concentrated, like kind of a fat burning detox juice. Then before you can add in some water, but this is really rich, like really rich and strong. So you want to add in some water now to fill up your bottles. So this bigger jar, or this is for my refrigerator, this is what I will store in my refrigerator. And these bottles I just carry along when I'm going out. When I finish up this first water, I refill again. So you can refill up to 2 times before you eat your fruits. So this is it. You want to shake up the ingredients, and voila, this is it. This is your water. You can refill 2 times and enjoy. This is so nourishing and fat burning to help you burn down the fat during this Christmas and get you back in shape. So I hope someone finds this video helpful. Don't forget to share with your family and friends so we can all stay healthy and in shape. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you again in my next video. Bye.